Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device's location services are on and Messenger has permission to use them. Once that's confirmed, open the Messenger app and go straight to the chat where you want to share. Tap the plus icon or the location pin within the conversation to bring up location options. This starts the flow for sending a point on the map or enabling live location. Doing this first avoids backtracking and ensures Messenger can access accurate coordinates immediately. Once the location panel appears, decide whether to send a static point or share live location. Choose Send Current Location to drop a single marker or Share Live Location to stream updates for a set time. If the pin is off, drag it to the exact address or tap the search field to enter a place name for precision. Also set the live sharing duration. Shorter windows protect privacy, so make sure to select the appropriate time frame before you confirm and send to the chat. After configuring, tap Send and check that the map preview appears in the conversation so recipients can access it immediately. If you shared live location, you can stop it at any point from the map view or the chat's shared item. Once stopped, updates cease. If sending fails, make sure Messenger still has location permission, toggle it off and on, and restart the app. Sometimes a quick reconnect fixes permission or GPS hiccups. If problems persist, reboot the device and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.